like you will be. He's like you will be the fucking first song I make. It's gonna be about you.
Dude. Oh, congratulations. Like, oh my God, man. Like,
And like it's only been I've been reading his tarot for about 3 months. And the last tarot, he was like, I need some guidance, man. So I was like, all right, I'll pull you a card. So I shuffled the deck, split the deck, pulled the card out, put the deck back, and I forget what the card was, but I was like, okay. And I read the card and typed it as I read it. And he's like, dude, you don't know nothing about my situation. I don't tell nobody. He's like, if you just hit that shit spot fucking on, he's like, you are for real. You're fucking legit, man. He's like, yeah, I'll be coming to you again. I was like, right.
congratulations, man. Congratulations. That's epic.